Hey, YouTube fam, this is Tack with Euro.American.Passion. Got a lot of stuff in my yard, so please excuse it. But just giving you an update on the exhaust. I'm about 98% done, as well as the back part. I'm gonna give you a little quick video of what's going on. I also have this for sale. If anybody needs one, 86 C10. It's got everything except motor and trans. It is free and clear title. Also, it's been about 75% restored. So anyway, back to what I'm doing. Take a look at the videos and let me know what you think. Stand by. All right. You guys tell me what you think. It's not the prettiest thing, but it's mine. I will be wrapping it in black. So stand by. Contact. The exhaust is 98% done. So I've been working on this. A lot of spot welding. I ran out of gas, so I'm actually doing it without gas, so don't beat me down too bad. Stand by. Putting this angle here to allow it to sit flush here. And then I'm going to build a ramp for low vehicles. I did the same thing over here. I tested everything out and it looks like it's going to work. So once again, if you look, you see it sits flush, and I have blocks, which is 5 inches, 5 1/4 inches really. Stand by. All right, YouTube fam, I'm finishing up, and I thank you for the subscribers. If you could please give me some comments, some suggestions, something to kind of keep me going. I'm just putting this content out for people who want to try something new. If it's not to your likings, I understand. You can continue to look to just see if it's something that you want to get into. But I've always had a love for ramp trucks, and I wanted something different. I wanted a Ford, so it's a low cab Ford, and I'm doing what I got to do. So not gonna be a trailer queen for a ramp truck. It's not gonna be one of those ramp trucks that I actually feel that as soon as you see it, you're gonna be like, wow. But it will be a ramp truck that you can say, man, that is nice. So anyway, what I was going to say is I pray that everyone is well. I wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Whatever religion you serve, I hope that you have a peaceful day, whether you're relaxing or spending time with family, or even just getting out to try to do a little something different. Always remember, God bless. Peace. See you on the next go round. Later.